So we'll understand rational numbers. So we know what are the natural numbers. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like this. So these are the natural numbers. What are the natural numbers? It begins with 1 and continues till infinity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on. So these are the natural numbers. It's an infinite set. Okay. So you know that the difference between any two is 1. So these are the natural numbers starts with 1. Okay. Now what are the rational numbers? Now suppose we have an equation. We'll come across an equation with the form of x plus 2 is equal to 13. So x is a variable. Now what we have to substitute to satisfy left hand is equal to right hand. Okay, so for example, I have a number x that I don't know. If I add to that 2, I will get 13. So what should be the x? So like this. So it is naturally the x will be equal to 13 minus 2. So it is 11. So 11 is the answer. So x plus 2 is a linear equation that satisfies by substituting x is equal to 11. So we will come across so many situations like this. Okay. Now suppose we have another equation like x plus 5 is equal to 5. X plus 5 is equal to 5. Now this will satisfy only when you put x is equal to 0. But the natural numbers will not contain 0. So therefore we need another that is called whole numbers. Okay, this is the whole numbers, starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. Right. So therefore this we need to have one more system, that is the whole numbers. Okay. Now another equation we'll see. Say for example we have x plus 18 is equal to 5. So what should be the value of x? So for which, so I have to add something to 18 so that I will get 5. So whatever the positive number you add, you won't get. So only thing is we should get one more number, that's called minus 13. Okay. So if I add minus 13 here, minus 13 plus 18 is equal to 5. That means I have to subtract 18 from this minus 13. From 18 you have to add negative number minus 13 or subtract 13. So therefore minus 13. So therefore we need another number, that is integers. What is that one? Integers. So it contains all positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on, and the negative numbers, that is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, so on. Okay. So these are 0 is neither positive nor negative. All 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are the positive numbers and these are the negative numbers. Okay. So like that. Okay. Now let us consider one more equation. So what is that one? Let us consider the one more equation, that is 2x, here I'll rub this one, this 2x plus 3, sorry, 2x is equal to 3, or another equation 5x plus 7 is 0. So 2x is equal to 3. Okay, 2x is equal to 3 will never satisfy with any of this natural number, whole number or one number. So I have to multiply 2. I have to multiply 2 with some number so that I should get 3. So that is possible only with a 3 by 2. So we need to have a 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 is a fractional number. So therefore what is 3 by 2? 3 by 2 you will going to get in a rational numbers, where you are going to get in this rational numbers. So therefore we need one more system, that is rational numbers. What are rational number? Everything p by q form. we can write any number that is p by q form where pq are integers. Pq are integers and q is not equal to 0. That means all the numbers which are in the fraction form. If you speak, we can write every number as a fraction. Okay, so therefore all natural numbers, negative integers, whole numbers, all these things can be written as in the form of rational numbers, all p by q. Okay, more than that we have another numbers which are the whole numbers. We cannot write them as fractions as whole number. Suppose if it's 2 by 3 is there, it's a pure fraction like pure p by q form. But whereas if I have some 8 is there, this I can write as in the form of fraction as like 16 by 2 I can write. Okay, or 8 by 1 I can write. So 8 by 1 I can write like this. Okay, so this 8 is a whole number, can be written as this thing. So but this is purely is a fractional form, that is a rational number. So these are also rational numbers. Okay, now in this, so 2 by 3 that satisfies which one, which was, sorry, 3 by 2, x is equal to 3 by 2 satisfies 3 given x is equal to 3 by 2 satisfies the given equation 2x is equal to 3. We have another equation. What is that one? We have 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. So 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. So 5x plus 7 is equal to 0 means here 5x is equal to minus 7, x is equal to minus 7 by 5. Again this is a negative rational number. So this also we will find in the rational numbers. So in the rational numbers, so these are the in the form of p by q. Okay, we can write in the form of p by q form. So therefore it's a rational number. Okay. So therefore the existence of rational numbers will come into picture. Okay, now we'll stop here.